Island of Rainbows, a short moral story. Lena was an adventurous girl who loved exploring. One day, she found an old map hidden inside her grandmother's attic. The map led to a mysterious place, the secret island of rainbows. Excited, she set off on a journey with her little boat. After sailing through misty waters, Lena reached the island, where the sky shimmered with endless rainbows. Flowers glowed, rivers sparkled, and the air smelled of sweet fruits. At the heart of the island stood a magical tree with golden leaves. A voice echoed from the tree, "Only those with a pure heart may take a treasure from here." Lena noticed a large chest near the tree. As she opened it, she found not gold or jewels, but a glowing crystal. The tree spoke again, "This crystal holds the secret to happiness. Share it, and your joy will grow." Lena took the crystal home and placed it in the village square. To her amazement, whenever someone helped another, the crystal shone brighter. The more kindness was spread, the more beautiful rainbows appeared over the village. Moral: true treasure is not wealth, but kindness, for the more you give, the more joy you receive. Thank you for watching.